Polygon Matic at the time of this recording continues to hold within our key area of support between the 0.3429 and the 0.5846, and today is a significant day that I'm expecting a lot of volatility ahead of the FOMC meeting later today. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the scenarios that can play out ahead of the FOMC meeting, basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures and the Fibonacci's. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows we made on the 4th of November, where we started a very nice bounce to the upside, where we first picked impulsively in the formation of this wave 1, saw a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, a bounce in the formation of this wave 3, a wave 4, and then finally picked in the formation of this wave 5 in a move that gave us a high above the 0.77, and that 5 wave structure to the upside completed the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. And having picked in the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1. And on so doing, you can see that my minimum pullback target area for the second wave lies between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.88, and that is between the 0.5836 and the 0.3415, and that is an area that we have now almost fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, and in the next coming hours or maybe days, we are going to start an impulse to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And assuming that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, then using the fib extension, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, we can get a minimum target area for this wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 1.1688 as our minimum target area. And for that to play out, we first need to see an initial 5 wave structure to the upside from the lows we made on the 28th of January to confirm to us that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2 and the wave 3 is just getting started. But if by any chance we don't get a 5 wave structure to the upside in the next coming hours to confirm that a low is in place in the formation of this wave 2, then that means that there is a very high chance that maybe during the FOMC meeting we are going to get one more new low within this red target area in the formation of this wave 2 before we can start that impulsive bounce in the formation of this wave 3. And on the worst case scenario, if by any chance we get a break out of this red target area to the lower side, and maybe at some point we lose support above the 0.2853, then I will be expecting Polygon Matic to easily give us a reset of the lows we made on the 4th of November and maybe continue pushing even lower. So that is my worst case scenario that can play out in case we lose that key area of support over here. And that is all that I'm expecting for the next coming hours here on the Polygon Matic chart. And let's be patient and see how that plays out. And I will ensure you stay up to date.